built this cherry house. It's getting colder because it's winter. Oh, well, it's fall. But, weird. So you have Dib's cherry house outbreak. That's just my other name. And look, if you can look at the side, you can see this cherry stuff falling, and it's so cute. And also, I'm using Minecraft Educational because, you know, don't judge me. Cause they don't have, I don't have the thing where you have cherry stuff in Minecraft, so that's why. When you come inside, there's like, you know, a little place. Haven't worked on anything else yet, but here's the bedroom. I think it looks cute. This is a little computer place you can, just, if I could get on here, okay, yeah. You can just click the button like you're using a normal computer. Yep, it's so fun. So here's how that's how I made it. You can see. Okay. Horses outside. Oh, there's 3 horses. The little baby horse, that's so cute. Oh, there's how many horses are there? Oh, it's just 2 horses. 3 horses. Okay, that's nice. We are just gonna continue building. Should I make a bed? I don't know. What else? Ooh, what if I added a bathroom where you could like take bath? Yeah, that's that. And just take. What's the door? Oh, there it is. I can see for a second. Put that there. Okay. Put cherry door. Okay, that's cute. Not that big because it's a bathroom, but I think that's how big it should be. That looks good. Okay, yeah. There's gonna be windows on the top, but not like at the sides, because you know you can get back. Why would you want someone looking at you? With cherry on top again, because you know cherry is just aesthetic and it makes everything look nice. Okay, anyways, we're continuing. It's almost nighttime for some reason. Yeah, because time passes in this thing. Okay, so yeah. And this on top. Okay, now we just break that. Okay, I think I might want to light it up with cherry. Okay, now we just gotta take glass to cover this, because you know, if you had a little cherry, it's gonna blossom. It just looks pretty, okay? Hi, what are you doing at my house? What you? Yeah, I can see you. Not your character, but I can see the floating bottle. What do you want?
I was exploring your house, that's all.
Okay.
You have that pink bed. I thought your favorite color was yellow.
Yeah, but this is supposed to be a cherry house. You remember?
Computer you said.
It's next to the bed.
What does this button do?
It's the computer. Okay, look. Want to see me use it? Here.
Can I press the button?
Wait, I'm trying to crouch. How do I? Oh, that's because I'm already here. Okay, and then now you just sit here, watch computer. You can. This is supposed to be a mouse. You get it? Okay, now let me build because I'm trying to focus on this. Take me all to build sometimes. Okay, now we're just gonna more. Thanks. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, that's cute. I just need to go inside the house. It is sorry, if someone explodes it, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, anyways, let's go. We are now working on our bathroom. It's looking good. Okay, that's nice. We just need to get rid of some stuff. I'm gonna get this though. And I'm gonna need stairs. Cause we're making a bathtub, y'all. Okay, anyways, we need to just actually not too big bathtub because we need some space. There we go. No! What house is this? Wait, give me a second. I need to clean it up. Ugh. No, I don't know how to get it out. Okay.
Let's go outside. Oh my god, oh, you never told me there was a tree out by your house.
What tree?
Which tree?
Wait, give me a second. Okay, I'm coming. Jeez, wait. Okay. There's a tree outside our house. Oh, give me a second. It's glitched.
Follow my block. Yeah.
Who put a tree there?
Not me.
Okay, let me see your inventory. Why'd you put it there?
I don't know, I just wanted to.
Girl, I need that space. You don't know that?
I do know that, I just like to see if you notice anything.
Oh, I have to rebuild it already. I can't do that. It's filled with water and I can't get rid of the water. Can you get rid of the water, please? Wait, no, I'm gonna actually. Not get rid of the water? Yeah, okay, never mind, I got rid of it.
How?
By placing blocks.
You could use the sponge.
Oh, sponge?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oops. I came to the rescue.
Thanks.
You
I have a bathtub.
You want some sponges or something?
No, I can find it.
They have some.
I can find it myself, don't worry. Keep those for yourself. I don't want them! Get out of my house now. I'm trying to build. Wait, now we can wait. Oh, I know what. Okay, I have a good idea. I can use banners as the towels to make it look cute. Okay, let's see. Here. Well, they look like towels. They actually do. Don't we have like a little bathroom? That's cute. Slay. I love it. Let's play some more cherry. Cherry leaves are just everything. Yeah. There it goes. Just okay. I think we're. This is nice. I love it. That's all for today. Bye bye. Bye bye.